Hello everyone. We're so glad to have you join us today for a truly intriguing journey. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a curious learner, or someone just beginning to explore the world of artificial intelligence, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to unravel a concept that sits at the intersection of technology and humanity: empathy in artificial intelligence. When we think about AI, we often picture robots, smart assistants, or complex algorithms crunching numbers. But what if these machines could do more than just process data? What if they could actually sense, interpret, and respond to our emotions, just like another human being might? Today, we're diving into this fascinating topic: empathy in artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where your digital assistant not only understands your words, but also picks up on your mood. Picture a future where machines can recognize when you're feeling stressed, happy, or even a little down, and respond in ways that are supportive and caring. This is the promise of AI empathy, a technology that could transform the way we interact with machines, making our experiences more personal, meaningful, and human-centered. That's the exciting potential of AI empathy. It could revolutionize industries like healthcare, where empathetic AI might help patients feel understood and supported. In education, it could help teachers connect with students on a deeper level. Even in customer service, AI with empathy could make interactions smoother and more satisfying for everyone involved. But how close are we to this reality? While the idea of empathetic AI is inspiring, there are still many challenges to overcome. Teaching machines to recognize and interpret human emotions is a complex task. It involves not just understanding words, but also tone of voice, facial expressions, and even body language. Researchers are making progress, but there's still a long way to go before machines can truly understand us the way another person might. And what are the implications of machines trying to understand and react to our feelings? There are important ethical questions to consider. How do we ensure that AI respects our privacy and emotional boundaries? What happens if machines misinterpret our emotions or use that information in ways we don't expect? As we move forward, it's crucial to think about not just what AI can do, but what it should do. So let's explore these questions together. Over the next few minutes, we'll look at how AI is learning to understand human emotions, the breakthroughs and challenges in this field, and the impact empathetic machines could have on our lives. Get ready to discover the future of technology, one that just might have a heart. Before we talk about AI, let's understand empathy in ourselves. Empathy is like stepping into someone else's shoes. It's feeling happy when they're happy, sad when they're sad. Imagine your friend is upset because they lost a game. If you understand their sadness and offer comfort, that's empathy. It's about connecting with others on an emotional level. In a world where technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace, artificial intelligence is becoming more and more integrated into our daily lives. From virtual assistants that help us manage our schedules to chatbots that answer our questions, AI is everywhere. But as we interact with these digital entities, a fascinating question arises. Can AI, a creation of logic and algorithms, truly empathize with us? Can a machine, built from lines of code and mathematical models, ever understand the depth of human emotion? The answer, for now, is no. Despite the incredible progress in machine learning and natural language processing, AI does not possess consciousness or feelings. It cannot experience joy, sadness, or compassion the way humans do. When you share your troubles with a chatbot, it doesn't feel concern or sympathy. It simply processes your words and searches for the most appropriate response based on its programming and data. What AI can do, however, is mimic empathy. Through sophisticated algorithms, it can analyze the words you use, the tone of your voice, and even your facial expressions to generate responses that sound caring and supportive. But beneath the surface, there is no genuine feeling, just a complex web of pattern recognition and prediction. The AI is not comforted by your happiness, nor is it troubled by your pain. It is simply following instructions, designed to make you feel heard and understood. To better understand this, think of AI like a parrot that has learned to say, "Don't be sad." The parrot can repeat the phrase perfectly, perhaps even at the right moment, but it has no idea what sadness is. It doesn't grasp the meaning behind the words. It just knows that saying them gets a reaction from its human companion. The parrot doesn't understand the emotion, but it repeats what it has been taught. Similarly, AI systems are trained on vast amounts of data, conversations, stories, and examples of human interaction. They learn which words and phrases are associated with comfort, encouragement, or sympathy. And they use this knowledge to construct responses that seem empathetic. But, like the parrot, they lack any real comprehension of the feelings involved. Today's AI can recognize patterns in our words, facial expressions, and tone of voice to produce responses that appear empathetic. For example, if you sound upset, an AI might say, "I'm sorry you're feeling this way. Is there anything I can do to help?" It can even adjust its responses based on your mood, using data from your previous interactions. But all of this is the result of careful programming and machine learning, not genuine understanding. The art of mimicking empathy is impressive, but it is still just that, mimicry. As we continue to develop smarter and more responsive AI, it's important to remember the difference between real human connection and the sophisticated imitation offered by machines. While artificial intelligence systems do not possess genuine feelings or consciousness, their ability to simulate empathy is being harnessed in a growing number of emotionally sensitive fields. This is especially significant as more people turn to technology for support, guidance, and companionship in their daily lives. The use of AI in these contexts raises important questions about the nature of empathy and the role technology can play in human well-being. Let's explore some real-world examples where AI is making a meaningful impact, even without truly experiencing emotions itself. One of the most prominent areas where AI is being used is in mental health support. Therapy apps powered by artificial intelligence are now available to millions of users worldwide. These apps use natural language processing to understand users' concerns and respond with comforting, supportive messages. For example, when someone expresses feelings of anxiety or sadness, the AI can offer coping strategies, suggest breathing exercises, or simply provide a listening ear. While these digital therapists cannot replace human professionals, they offer immediate, accessible support at any time of day, which can be especially valuable for those who may not have access to traditional therapy. Some users report feeling less alone and more understood, even knowing they are interacting with a machine. In the field of education, AI tutors are transforming the way students learn and engage with challenging material. These intelligent systems can detect when a student is struggling or becoming frustrated, and they respond by offering encouragement, breaking down complex concepts, or adjusting the pace of lessons. For instance, if a student repeatedly makes mistakes on a math problem, the AI might offer hints or positive reinforcement to help them persist. This personalized approach not only helps students build confidence, but also fosters a more supportive learning environment, even in large classrooms or remote settings. These examples highlight the growing potential of AI to assist people in emotionally charged situations. Whether it's providing comfort during a difficult moment, supporting mental health, or encouraging a student to keep trying, AI is becoming an important tool for emotional support. As technology continues to evolve, we may see even more innovative applications that help bridge the gap between human needs and digital solutions, making support more accessible to everyone. Interestingly, studies have shown that people can find comfort in interacting with empathetic AI. Even though we know it's not real, the illusion of being understood can be helpful. This comfort stems from the fact that AI provides a non-judgmental space. We might feel freer to express ourselves to a machine, knowing it won't judge or interrupt. However, the rise of empathetic AI brings ethical concerns. What if AI is used to manipulate our emotions? Imagine an AI designed to exploit our vulnerabilities for profit. Another concern is over-reliance. If we become too dependent on AI for emotional support, it could damage our ability to connect with other humans. Think about it. How comfortable would you be sharing your deepest fears and insecurities with an AI? Would you trust it to provide genuine support and guidance? These are personal questions with no right or wrong answers. It's about understanding your comfort level with AI in the realm of emotions. While AI can mimic empathy, it's crucial to remember that true empathy comes from shared human experiences. It's about understanding the nuances of emotions, something AI hasn't mastered. While AI can be a helpful tool, it's essential to prioritize human connection. Talking to a friend, family member, or therapist offers a depth of understanding that AI can't replicate. As AI evolves, the line between simulation and genuine empathy will become increasingly blurred. This raises crucial questions about the future of human connection in a technologically driven world. In our next discussion, we'll delve deeper into the evolving relationship between humans and AI. Until then, keep questioning, keep exploring, and let's navigate this exciting frontier together.